Hey everybody, my name's Alan Cohen, and thank you for finding me at Thinking Heads. And I am standing here right in the heart of Times Square on Broadway in front of the marquee for Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. And you may wonder why I'm standing here. Well, get this. So 20 years ago, I was the very first person in the United States to work on the publicity for the Harry Potter books. And I led the team that would actually create that phenomenon of Harry Potter. Harry Potter became a movement, and never in our wildest dreams could we have thought in a million years that Harry Potter would be a Broadway show and a household name. So I would love to come talk to you at your conference, at your event, at your meeting about how to create a powerful movement in your life and in your business. I also keynote around the power of connection, which is the topic of my latest book, The Connection Challenge. And that book talks about how you can actually create a connection in your own life, particularly in this distracting world. I also share experiences from working in corporate America for over 15 years, helping leaders and executives and teams become more connected to their lives and their goals at companies like NBC and American Express and Tiffany's and MetLife. I'd love to come to your conference or your event and inspire people around the power of connection and around how you can be inspired to create a movement of your own.